Hello guys, how you guys doing? Once again, si Real Talk and napanood ko tong video about sa divorce. Tapos, I mean, we're gonna listen to it, some of it, okay? Hindi lahat kasi mahaba ito masyado eh. So, we're just gonna listen to some of it. Sandali lang to. I really have no time right now to listen to all of this. But we're just gonna listen to some of it. Okay?
Personally, maybe her marriage, kung babae man siya, is on the rocks. And maybe she's afraid that
You're
once divorce gets legalized, isa siya sa mga i-divorce ng asawa niya. You know?
very
Kaya nga,
possible.
yeah. So, sa akin naman, ay, sa ganang akin, I don't care. I-divorce mo ko. Mas gusto kong manatili sa isang taong na pinipili ako kahit may divorce diyan, 'no? Pinipili ako
Tama.
everyday. So what
That,
will
So, natinig niyo yung sabi niya, mas gusto ko ang isang tao na pinipili ako palagi. If a guy is doing that to you, why are you pro-divorce? Ikaw pala pinipili eh. You don't need divorce. Ikaw na ang pinipili. Okay? Ibig sabihin, may divorce o wala, ikaw pa rin pipiliin. So why are you pro-divorce? Okay? Kasi nga, sabi mo ate, gusto mo ng lalaki na ikaw lang ang pipiliin para sa'yo. Sabi mo yan. Okay? Kung pinipili ka palagi ng lalaki, ibig sabihin, it does not matter kung may divorce o wala. If it does not matter, why are you pro-divorce?
remain will be the really quality marriages. Hindi yung
quality relationship.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. Karamihan kasi
True,
or sana
Mary.
naman hindi, no? It's a
Yeah.
sad life if you're remaining in a marriage and you're not happy.
Okay. Sabi mo, you are remaining on a marriage that's not happy. Okay. Just because you are not happy, what makes you think next year hindi ka pa rin happy? Or the next 2 years? Because life is a wave. Tumataas, bumababa, tumataas, bumababa. Okay? Just because your relationship is going down and you need to work on things, okay? Iniisip mo kagad na there is no hope. Wala nang pag-asa, okay, zero, give up na. Unhappy na ako forever. Now, how do you know that for sure? How do you know for sure that you're not gonna be happy? Because you never know. You can be happier next year or the next 2 years. Lahat naman ng marriage, there's problem. Kahit na yung matatagal ng marriage, there's problems. So, if you understand na merong problema sa lahat ng marriage, why would you divorce. And if you divorce, what makes you think that your next marriage is going to be better? If this marriage right now is not working and you don't want to fix it, you want to quit on it instead of fixing it. See, sabi ko nga eh, I said this before, okay? People sometimes do not think of what they will lose and what they will gain, okay? People think that the solution to a dying marriage is divorce, when it's not true, okay? Divorce does not fix marriages, it ruins it. It will ruin families, it will ruin children. So, yun lang naman, like, it's just a quick video about dito sa nakita ko. They are pro-divorce to the Philippines. I think that's what make the Philippines special because it's not, they don't have divorce. Yeah, meron ngang annulment, pero mahirap mag-annulment eh. So, right now, the government is teaching you to be careful and make sure that you married a decent person. Okay? Because like there's things in life that you cannot, that like big choices na it will affect the future. Marriage is one of them. Having children is another one too. Okay? So when you get married, you better be sure that you want to be with that person forever. Same thing with children. If you want to have children, you need to be sure that that's what you want. Because once you get married, especially in the Philippines, it's really hard to annul. Okay? So, pero I think what's gonna happen is magkakaroon ng divorce in the Philippines. But even though magkakaroon ng divorce, I still think it's gonna ruin a lot of marriage because they will use that power and they will weaponize it sa mga marriage nila. Especially pag nahihirapan, onting hirap lang, divorce agad. I think that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, Yun lang naman. I hope everyone have a good day and peace out.